Good morning, students. In the previous class, I explained you question number 1 of exercise 3rd C, in which I told you how can we add rational numbers. Today we will continue the same exercise 3rd C, and starting from question number 2, I am going to explain that how do we subtract rational numbers. So let us start. Its first part is, we will read these questions like this: subtract minus 7 upon 9 from 3 upon 5. See here, subtract the following rational numbers. A part, subtract minus 7 upon 9 from 3 upon 5. In this question, we have to subtract minus 7 upon 9 from 3 upon 5. So first we will write this rational number from which we have to subtract 3 upon 5. Then we will put minus sign for this subtract, because we have to subtract. So first we will put minus sign, then we will write the rational number which we have to be subtracted. We have to be subtracted minus 7 upon 9. So 3 upon 5 minus 7 upon 9. Students, as you know that if there is minus sign out of this bracket, any bracket, then sign within the bracket will change. So this 3 upon 5 will be written as it is. Then this minus 7 upon 9 will change to plus 7 upon 9. Now we will follow the same procedure as we did in question number 1. First, we will see, we are observing that both the denominators are different. So first we will find LCM of 5 and 9. We will start from 3 because 5 and 9 are odd numbers. They cannot be divided by 2. So we will start by 3. 5 will be written as it is. Then 3 3 ja 9. Again by 3. 3 1 ja 3. 5 will be written as it is. Then by 5. 5 1 ja 5. 1 will be written as it is. So LCM is 3 into 3 into 5. 3 3 ja 9. 9 5 ja 45. We will write LCM here 45. Then divide this 45 by this 5. When we divide 45 by 5, 5 9 ja 45, we get 9. Now this 9 multiply by this numerator 3. So 9 into 3. Then this plus here, again divide this LCM by this 9. 9 5 ja 45. So this 5 multiply by this 7. Now 9 3 ja 27 plus 5 7 ja 35, then upon 45. 27 plus 35 is equal 62 upon this 45. When we divide this 62 by 45, because numerator is smaller than denominator, so it is an improper fraction, and when we get an improper fraction, we will change it into mixed fraction by dividing. 45 1 ja 45, then 12 minus 5 7, 5 minus 4 1. We get 1 is to 17 upon 45. Second part is subtract 5 upon 6 from 7 upon 8. So again first we will write this 7 upon 8, then this minus sign for this subtract. Then we will write this 5 upon 6. We have to subtract this 5 upon 6 from this 7 upon 8. Again we are observing that both the denominators are different. So first we will find the LCM. 2 4 ja 8, both are even number. So we will start by 2. 2 4 ja 8, 2 3 ja 6. Then again by 2. 2 2 ja 4. 3 will be written as it is. Then by 2 again. 2 1 ja 2. 3 will be as it is. Then by 3, 1 will be written as it is. 3 1 ja 3. Now this LCM 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 2 2 ja 4. 4 2 ja 8. 3 ja 24. So here LCM is 24. Now divide this 24 by this 8. We get 3. 8 1 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16, 8 3 ja 24. Then 3 multiply by this 7. Minus, again we will divide this 24 by 6. 6 1 ja 6, 6 2 ja 12, 6 3 ja 18, 6 4 ja 24. Then multiply by this 5. 3 7 ja 21 minus 4 5 ja 20. So 21 minus 20, it is 1 upon 24. Come to next part, C. Its C part is subtract 1 upon 4 from minus 3 upon 8. So first we will write this minus 3 upon 8, then this minus sign for this subtract, then this 1 upon 4. We have to subtract this 1 upon 4 from this minus 3 upon 8. So first see, both the denominator are different, so we will find LCM of this 8 and 4. 2 2 ja 4, 2 4 ja 8, again by 2, 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, again by 2, 1 will be written as it is, 2 1 ja 2. Then LCM will be 2 into 2 into 2, 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8. We will write here 8. Students, one more thing I want to tell you, that see these two denominators. Here larger one number is 8 and smaller one is 4. Since 8 is a multiple of 4, this larger number is a multiple of smaller number, that is 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8. So its LCM will be 8. No need to find this LCM. I have explained you, I have shown you. Some students are not able to understand this rule, so I have explained. But if you have two denominators and larger one is multiple of smaller one, 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, then larger number will be the LCM. So LCM, our LCM is 8. Now divide this LCM 8 by this 8. We get 8 1 ja 8. See, 8 1 ja 8. Then this 1 multiply by this minus 3. So minus 3 multiply by 1. Then this minus, divide this LCM 8 by this 4. 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8. 2 multiply this 1. Then 3 1 ja 3, minus 3 minus 2 1 ja 2 upon this 8, minus 3 minus 2 minus 5. So our answer is minus 5 upon 8. Next part, D. Subtract minus 5 upon 13 from minus 6 upon 26. First we will write this minus 6 upon 26, from which number we have to subtract it. So this minus 6 upon 26, then this minus sign for this subtract, this one. Then we will write the rational number minus 5 upon 13, because we have to subtract this rational number from this one. Now minus 6 upon 26, again out of this bracket there is minus sign, so this minus sign will change to plus. It will be plus 5 upon 13. Now see both the denominator, as I explained you just now. Here two denominator, 26 and 13. Larger is 26, smaller is 13. Larger 26 is a multiple of 13. That means 13 1 ja 13, 13 2 ja 26. So our LCM will be 26, or I have explained here LCM also. I have told you both the things. 26 is a multiple of this 13, so our LCM will be 26. Now divide this LCM 26 by this 26. Again we will get 1, 26 1 ja 26. So 1 will be multiplied by this minus 6. Minus 6 multiplied by 1, then this plus. Now divide this 26 by 13. 13 1 ja 13, 13 2 ja 26. So 2 multiply by this 5. 6 1 ja 6, minus 6 plus 2 5 ja 10 upon 26. Solve this, minus 6 plus 10 plus 4 upon 26. We can simplify it. 2 2 ja 4, 2 1 ja 2, 2 3 ja 6. It is 2 upon 13. Next part. See here, E part is 15 upon subtract 15 upon 7 from minus 13 upon 34. See, subtract 15 upon 17 from minus 13 upon 34. So first we will write this rational number minus 13 upon 34, then minus sign for this subtract. Minus sign for this subtract, then we will write this 15 upon 17. We have to subtract this 15 upon 17 from this minus 13 upon 34. Again observe the denominators. This is 34 and this is 17. We have two denominators and larger one denominator. This 34 is a multiple of 17. 17 1 ja 17, 17 2 ja 34. So our LCM will be 34. Now divide this 34 by this 34, we get 1. So 1 multiplied by this minus 13. Minus 13 into 1. Now this minus, divide this 34 by this 17. 17 1 ja 17, 17 2 ja 34. We get 2. See here. When we divide 34 by 17, 17 2 ja 34. So this 2 will be multiplied by this 15. 13 1 ja 13, minus 13, minus 15 2 ja 30. Minus, we will simplify minus 13 minus 30. We will add their numerical value. So 3 and 3 plus 1 4. Minus 43 upon this 34. Students, you are noticing again here numerator is greater than denominator. It means again it is an improper fraction. We can change it into a mixed number by dividing minus 43 by 34. See here, if we divide 43 by 34, 34 1 ja 34, then 13 minus 4 9. So it will be equal minus 1 is to 9 upon 43. Come to its last part. Subtract minus 5 upon minus 8 from minus 3 upon 7. Here we have to subtract from minus 3 upon 7. So we have written first this one minus 3 upon 7. Then this minus sign for this subtract. Then we have to subtract minus 5 upon minus 8. Here this minus can be cancelled with this minus. Then this minus 3 upon 7. Now students, this minus minus cancel, so it will be this 5 upon 8 will be considered as plus. So this plus will change to minus. So minus 3 upon 7 minus 5 upon 8. Again students, come its denominators. Both the denominators are different. So we will find its LCM. When we find its LCM, 7 and 8, 7 will be written as it is, then 2 4 ja 8, again by 2, 7 will be written as it is, 2 2 ja 4, again by 2, 7 will be written as it is, 2 1 ja 2, then by 7, 7 1 ja 7, 1 will be as it is. So LCM will be 2 into 2 into 2 into 7, 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 7 ja 56. Our LCM is 56. When we divide this 56 by this 7, 7 1 ja 7, 7 2 ja 14, 7 3 ja 21, 7 4 ja 28, 7 5 ja 35, 7 6 ja 42, 7 7 ja 49, 7 8 ja 56. So 8 multiplied by this minus 3. Then this minus here. Now 56 divided by 8. 8 1 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16, 8 3 ja 24, 8 4 ja 32, 8 5 ja 40, 8 6 ja 48, 8 7 ja 56. So this 7 multiply by this 5. Now 3 8 ja 24 minus 24 minus 7 5 ja 35 minus 24 minus 35. Both are with minus sign. So we will add their numerical value 24 and 35. We will get minus 59. 5 and 4 9, 3 and 2 5, minus 59 upon 56. Again 59 is greater than this 56. We will divide it and we will change it into a mixed fraction. 56 1 ja 56, 9 minus 6 3. So it will be minus 1 minus 1 3 upon 56. Our second question is completed. Now come to third question. See question number 3. Find the product of the given rational numbers. I have copied all the questions here. Find the product of the given rational numbers. A part is 8 upon 11 into 6 upon 5. So students, we will write it in this form like this. This numerator multiply by this numerator. 8 into 6 upon this denominator 11 into this denominator 5. Now students, observe whether we can simplify it or not. No number is, we cannot simplify it because numerator and denominator cannot be simplified here. So we will multiply simply. 8 6 is 48 upon 55. Now it is an improper fraction or proper fraction. Numerator is smaller than denominator. So it is a proper fraction. It will remain as it is. No simplification is possible here. Now come to B part. In B part, it is minus 4 upon 9 into 7 upon 13. We will write minus 4 into this 7 upon 9 into 13. Again students, observe, we can simplify it or no, or not. We cannot simplify here because from numerator and denominator we cannot simplify any number. So minus 4 into 7, we will multiply it simply. 4 7 ja 28 minus 28 upon 9 into 13, 39 ja 117. If we can simplify here any number, then we will do. Otherwise we will multiply it. Here numerator is 28 and denominator is 117. Again it is a proper fraction, so no need to change it in a mixed number. Now come to next. It is 25 upon minus 6 into 9 upon 10. So see student, it will be written like this. 25 multiply by 9 upon this minus 6 multiply by this 10. Observe it. Can we simplify it or not? Yes, we can simplify. First see, 5 5 ja 25, 5 2 ja 10. Then we can simplify this 9 and 6 also by 3. 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6, 3 3 ja 9 upon 3 2 ja 6. Now this 5 into 3. 5 into 3 upon this minus 2. Minus 2 into 2. 5 3 ja 15 upon 2 2 ja 4 minus 4. Now first we will write it. We will shift this minus from denominator to numerator. First we will shift this minus from denominator to numerator. It will become minus 15 upon 4. Now it is an improper fraction. We will divide this 15 by 4. 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 4 3 ja 12, 4 4 ja 16. 16 is greater. So 4 3 ja 12. 5 minus 2, 3. It will be minus 3 is to 3 upon 4. 4 3 ja 12 plus 3, 15 upon 4. D part. In D part, it is 12 upon minus 21 into 7 upon 10. So first we will write 12 into 7 like this, then minus 21 into 10. Okay. Now again observe whether we can simplify or not. We can simplify here. See, 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6, 2 4 ja 8, 2 5 ja 10, 2 6 ja 12, 2 5 ja 10. Then 7 1 ja 7, 7 3 ja 21. So it will be 6 into 1 upon minus 3 into 5. So 6 1, we can simplify it once more. 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6. So 2 into 1, 2 upon 5. 1 5 ja 5. 2 upon minus 5. We will write it minus 2 upon 5. Next part, E part. In E part, it is minus 12 upon 5. Then into 25 upon minus 6. 25 upon minus 6. Again we will check whether we can simplify or not. Yes, we can simplify. 5 1 ja 5, 5 5 ja 25, then minus minus cancel. 6 1 ja 6, 6 2 ja 12. It is 2 into 5. It is 1 into 1, 1 into 1. So 2 5 ja 10. No need to write 1 into 1 means 1. 10 upon 1. No need to write 10 upon 1. We will write it simply 2 5 ja 10. Next, it is 5 upon minus 27. See, 5 upon minus 27 into minus 9 upon 20. Minus 9 upon multiply by 20. Again we can simplify this minus cancel. 9 1 ja 9, 9 3 ja 27, 5 1 ja 5, 5 4 ja 20. It is 1 into 1 upon 3 into 4. So 1 1 ja 1 upon 3 4 ja 12. Students, always remember, we can leave 1 into 1 in the denominator. It is 1 into 1, 1. We can write this 10 upon 1 as 10. But if 1 into 1, 1 is in numerator, we cannot leave it. It will be written as 1 multiply 1 upon 3 multiply 4. So 1 1 ja 1. It is 1 upon 12. We cannot write this 1 upon 12 as 12. Okay. Now come to question number 4. Question number 4. Solve the following. In question number 4, we have to divide. Students, although I have explained this multiplication plus minus division earlier, still I am explaining you. You have done all these division sums in exercise 2BC. Same pattern. Solve the following. 5 divided by 5 upon minus 2. What we will do? First we will write first rational number as it is. No change in first rational number at any cost. हमें फर्स्ट रेशनल नंबर बिल्कुल भी किसी भी हाल में चेंज नहीं करना है. फर्स्ट नंबर विल बी रिटन एज इट इज. देन चेंज दिस डिवाइड इनटू मल्टीप्लाई. Then write the reciprocal of the second rational number. We have to write the reciprocal of second rational number always. Always write the reciprocal of second rational number. Never write the reciprocal of first rational number. So 5 multiply its reciprocal. What we do? What do we do in the to write the reciprocal? To write a reciprocal, numerator and denominator are interchanged. Numerator will be written in place of denominator and denominator will be written in place of numerator. So it will become minus 2 upon 5. Now we can simplify it. 5 1 ja 5, 5 1 ja 5. So 1 into minus 2. 1 into minus 2. It will be equal to minus 2. Next, minus 4 upon 9 divided by 8. This minus 4 upon 9 will be written as it is. Then change this divide into multiply. Then what will be the reciprocal of 8? 8 means 8 upon 1. So it will become 1 upon 8. Now we can simplify. 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8. So it will be minus 1 upon 9 into 1 upon 2. Minus 1 upon 9 into 1 upon 2. It will be 1 1 ja 1. Minus 1 upon 9 2 ja 18. So students, remaining part you will do self. C, D, E, F you will do self. Now come to question number 5. Write the additive inverse and reciprocal for each of the following rational numbers. Its A part is minus 2 upon 7. Students, listen carefully. To write an additive inverse, we will change the sign. If the given rational number is negative, then we will change it into positive, and if given rational number is positive, then we will change it into negative. So here it is minus 2 upon 7. It is negative. So additive inverse of minus 2 upon 7 will be 2 upon 7. It becomes positive. And to write reciprocal, just now I explained, numerator and denominator are interchanged. So its reciprocal will be minus 7 upon 2. Numerator will be written in place of denominator and denominator will be written in place of numerator. This is A part and its D part is minus 3 upon minus 13. See here, we can simplify minus 3 upon minus 13, minus minus cancel, now it is 3 upon 13. It means this is positive. So additive inverse of minus 3 upon minus 13, because it will be considered as positive, so its additive inverse will be negative, minus 3 upon 13. And multiplicative inverse of minus 3 upon minus 13, it will be minus 13 upon minus 3. Clear? I have explained only A and D part, this A part and this D part. Remaining B, C, E and F you will do self. So students, we have completed exercise 3C. In the next class we will start exercise 3D, that is word problems on rational numbers. Okay, thank you students and have a nice day.